Are you able to see my screen?
It's launching here. Now we
Yes,
can
yes,
see.
yes.
Great.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, somebody is joined with their mobile names and we don't
Uh,
have their contacts. We will ping in the chat box. Could you please say with them to ping their current contact numbers in the chat box, please?
yeah, sure. Yeah. Okay. So next time, I would request everyone, please join with your own names instead your mobile names. Okay, fine. Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Lokesh Kumar. Yeah. I hope you can able to hear me.
Yes, Lokesh.
Yeah. So I have a total 13 plus years experience in overall experience in software testing and DevOps. I have 6 plus years experience. So in this 13 years, I have worked with different sectors. I came from non-IT background also, and after that, I switched my career in from core to this IT. So I have very much good experience with the DevOps and testing. Okay, I started my career with different non-IT, which I can say different. I came from actually electrical stream background. Okay, so then after that, I just moved into first. Initial, I started my career with in this IT with testing, and I don't want to lose my knowledge. That's why I'm just still continuing with the testing also. Along with that, I have very much good experience with the DevOps, and I worked as a senior electrical engineer, and I started my career with the core side. After that, I switched here as IT manual testing. After that, I moved into this IT, in this IT, especially in Tosca. So, and AWS DevOps also. And currently, I have very much good experience with both. So, I worked around 2 years manual testing and very limited. But after that, I moved into this Tosca. It is very interesting tool, you know. So Tosca is a simple tool and powerful compared to other automation tools. Uh, every tool in every tool we need to have some scripting knowledge as well as some coding knowledge. In the if you take anything like DevOps in a DevOps also you must have scripting and Salesforce completely involved in this scripting. So someone is speaking. Could you please keep in mute all? Don't mind. Yeah. So scripting knowledge must be there in everywhere. Like if you say Linux, that is also it is involved with the commands and all, and shell scripting also like that. DevOps tools like whatever, like Kubernetes and such kind of. And if you say Salesforce also, there are a lot of code involved. And you say Selenium, no doubt. If you take testing automation, all Selenium also coding is involved, playwright involved, no doubt at all. And at least we should have some scripting or coding knowledge to work on any automation tool. Okay, but only Tosca doesn't have any coding knowledge, so it doesn't require any coding knowledge. It's just small kind of scripts are there. Script, not syntax, just small syntax. It is readable. It is very understandable for everyone, no doubt. And so without having any coding knowledge, you can work on top of this, right? And so in this automation tool, it's very powerful and easy. Okay, it's very important and powerful. So testing, especially for who is coming from manual testing, this is one kind of boost for your future, no doubt at all. Okay, right? So it's a very powerful and it's very important. There are a lot of features in this. Okay, it is also integrated with AI, so no doubt. So you don't think about this AI coming and AI is actually leading. AI is actually vanishing at all. No doubt. Okay, it doesn't vanish anything. Also, this Tosca is also included AI. Okay, so I'll show you why, how it's included AI in the sense. If you in upcoming classes you will get to know that. You will feel very much astonishing. Okay, so very lot of features we have. Okay, which are not there in computer like other tools. Okay, why many companies or many projects, many clients are preferring Tosca, because there is a big huge demand for this Tosca, and so we'll discuss everything later. So that's this just short about myself. We'll discuss Tosca very deep. So before this, I just would like to know who's coming from non-IT background here. Anyway, please mention your names.
Lokesh Bharat here.
Hi, Bharat.
Yeah, I'm from non-IT background.
Okay, what you do?
Actually, I'm working in Google.
Okay.
Yeah, basically, like it's a ad kind of thing like we do.
Oh, that's good. No problem. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, no problem. You can handle this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next.
Hello, my name is Yamini.
Hi, Amni.
I am also from non-IT background only. Currently, I'm not working.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
Mm.
So do you have any gap?
Yeah, long gap.
Oh, okay,
10,
no problem. Yeah.
10 years almost.
Yeah. But this is the best tool to start again.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Next. Anyone from non-IT?
Yes, sir. I'm also from non-IT background. I am from electronics and communication engineering background.
Oh, that's great. Okay. Uh-huh. Electrical communication engineering, right?
Oh no, electronics and communication.
Electronics and communicationing. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So do you have gaps again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Okay, so we'll plan for that. Individually, I'll connect end of this course. I'll connect everyone individually. So I'll help you how to plan your career. Okay, while preparing resume one and one. So at that time, I'll definitely help you how to do it, how to convert these gaps and all. Okay, I'll help you. Don't worry. Right. So
Okay,
next.
sir.
Yeah, hi, I'm Gayatri.
Hi, Gayatri.
So I'm also from non-IT background, currently working as a lead, but yeah, it's a non-IT company again.
Okay. Uh-huh. So non-IT, how many years experience you have?
7.
Okay. You have PF everything, right?
I didn't get you.
You have PF everything, right?
Yes.
No problem. So you can easily convert your experience into this IT and
Okay,
you can keep that experience. No problem. So that's good choice. Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah. Anyone? Remaining all? What about remaining all?
Hi, this is Ashok.
Hi, Ashok.
I have 7 years of experience in automotive industry.
Mm.
Last 1 year I have gap, like November 2024 to still now.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, it's possible to continue.
Automation in the sense is related to mechanical. Is that
No, ECE.
ECA? Okay.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I'm from ECE background. Automotive industry like cars. In
Okay.
cars, I have tested in ADAS features.
No problem, no problem. Because so we are going to, by taking help of this Tosca, we are going to deal with automation and so automation they'll use SAP, right?
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Yeah,
But
so
we are
no
using
doubt
to
we can
different tools
convert.
for core side.
Yeah, no problem. But if you are very much perfect in this Tosca, you can convert that into testing, no problem. So we'll plan for that also. Okay. So good choice,
Okay.
no problem.
How many days for duration?
It will take 55.
Okay,
So we'll talk
around
about
2 months.
this. Yeah.
Uh,
So
okay, fine, fine.
yeah. So remaining,
Is there
Yeah, hi,
any
this is
entry
Harita.
level jobs on this with a zero experience? Freshers.
yeah, there are
Okay, freshers also can apply.
freshers also. Yes, can apply. Yes. So you are a fresher.
Actually, I'm having career gap. I need to apply as a fresher only. That is why I'm asking.
Okay, but no. Fresher in the sense recently passed out people comes
Okay.
under this. Okay. So you have a gap, and which means you already had experience with other thing, right? So other
No,
experience, right? Which means
I don't have
you
any
never.
experience.
Okay.
I
So but
prepared. Tell me.
still you have a lot of which year passed out?
Actually, I'm having career gap of 5 years.
Mm.
So,
Okay. 5 years, right? Okay. So 5 years in the sense, 5 years back you passed out. It never comes under
yes.
fresher, but you have to put experience, no doubt. All right. Next.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Harita.
Yeah, this is Sarita. Yes, yes.
Yeah, hi, Harita.
Actually, I am from electrical background.
Hmm.
So, and I have a career gap of around 13 years.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So, am I eligible for this course?
Yeah, you are eligible for the course means see something nothing Harita, simple. We have to keep any experience. We have to keep some experience, and we need to convert that experience as it is simple. Like you need to show that you have work done so
Okay.
and so IT something kind of. Okay.
Yeah, okay, fine. Then how much of experience I have to mention to get the
Minimum no
course?
minimum you have to keep 4 years experience.
4 years.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Samsung 346B, Samsung 356B. Can you keep your numbers? Don't mind. Please keep your names on top of your.
Yeah, Lokesh.
Hi, sir.
I'm Tanmay Mandekar, Samsung.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Okay. Yeah, you are
Actually, I'm
audible.
stuck in
Yeah.
traffic.
Okay.
That's why the not taking time. So I
Mm-hmm.
have 4 years of experience as a software test engineer.
Okay.
Now I want to continue in Tosca to upskill.
You have already experience. Which domain?
E-commerce domain in manual testing only.
That's good, man. Yeah, you can easily learn and you can handle it very. It's easy. It's easy for you.
Yeah. That's why I want to continue in
Yeah, that's
Tosca
great.
only
Your choice is really
in
good
upcoming
choice.
year. Yeah.
Yeah, if you are not that much into very much coding in this, like Selenium and JavaScripting, playwriting, and TypeScripting, all those stuff. So this is really good choice. It's simple, like it's a drag and drop kind of a tool. This is, but it will do a lot of big and powerful tool. This is. So we will deep dive into that. Okay, that's good, Ashok. Yeah, good choice. So that's it, right? All.
Yeah, this is Vamsi, and
Hi, Vamsi.
I have 15 years of experience working as a manual tester.
Okay.
I want to transition into automation.
Good
Tosca
choice,
tool.
Ashok. Yes, Vamsi. Good choice. Really good choice. So you already have a good experience with this manual testing. You can handle is very much easy.
Right. I
Yeah.
got manual
You are
experience.
still working, right, Vamsi?
No, I'm between projects, so I'm not working right now.
Okay.
So I want to transition for this Tosca thing.
Yeah, you have to boost up. This will help definitely. So and also
Right.
this Tosca is also, you know, you might have seen that it is also integrated with AI. So there is no doubt.
Right.
So it has future also. No worries about that. Oh, maybe you know, Tosca might vanish. No, not at all. Okay, it is also integrated with the AI, Vision AI. So you mean whatever we are scanning something image, it is converting in background. It is converting a code. You know, that means you just imagine that how much powerful it is. You know,
Right.
so you're gonna see that. You'll see. You'll feel wonder here while we are doing it.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Vamshi. Shall we start or anyone pending still?
Hello, this is Hari.
Hi, Hari.
So I am from testing background only. Currently, I'm working. But
Okay.
why should I prefer Tosca instead of Selenium or Playwright? So do we have good career or do we have any kind of good salaries
Yeah, these points,
or
yeah, this is really
experience?
good question. This is really good question. See, actually, these points I'm going to cover in the demo only. Okay, but you asked right, but I'll tell you here also. See, uh, in the playwright you might have heard about this recently. It is actually popular, you know, everybody saying playwright and all. Selenium, right? Selenium involving a lot of code. Okay, Java related. Okay, playwright also need to learn JavaScript. Okay, other tools whatever, this Selenium, and if you compare with this playwright all, there are a lot of code is there, but here you are not touching with any code. You are just simply using a tool with the modules and test cases. You just creating a test case by click one simple click. Okay, you are creating. And if you don't have any something like, if for suppose you might have dealt with any kind of application like login, register something. So if you want to, or if you want to test for login, you have to do multiple clicks, right? So you have to test everything manually, correct? So here, if you just create a just you just drag and drop into this test case, so automatically it will automatically it will test itself, right? Okay. So that you're
Yeah,
gonna see
the
that, that you're gonna see that we are going to take one example. If possible today, we will take one example. I'll show you that how to do it. Okay. Before we start Tosca, I'll show you that in the demo itself how it is working. Are you guys able to hear me properly?
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Thank you.
perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think let me share my screen. I think it's off. So anybody
Hi.
left?
Sorry to interrupt, Lokesh. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, it is you told, na, like it is like very simple and
Hmm.
easy to learn and all, right? So
Hmm.
like business and end user also can like use this one, right? Is there any chance to scope to high level to approach actually?
High level length. Can any example?
Like what I am saying, na, everyone can learn easily, right? This one. So
Hmm.
in that case, the competition will be high, right? Then
Hmm.
the demand will low, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
we
yeah.
can
Actually,
prefer this
Gopi.
one.
Yeah, definitely, Gopi. Actually, this is enterprise. This is not free at all. Okay.
That that's fine. What I'm saying, na, yeah, every man can learn easily. Then it is like, right? The life cycle would be like whenever the demand is low, then high chance of getting a jobs. But like it is like every can learn and then demand will low, right? So
No,
in
not
that
like
case,
that.
it would be like a best career path.
See, if this tool is opting many companies opting Tosca, in the sense you just imagine that how many jobs will create. Okay, means requirement will be high. Definitely, you will get more chances, right? So everyone learning, in the sense it's their choice, right? So not only Tosca, other tools. Not everybody can come into this Tosca. If they come also, so there are lot of companies in India also. There are a lot of company outside. So companies are hiring multiple people in this Tosca, and it is also integrated. As I mentioned earlier, it is also integrated with the AI. So scope is high, no doubt at all.
Okay.
Yeah, so everyone
Yeah.
coming and learning in the sense, for suppose some people like only coding, okay. Some people like only Selenium, some people like only Playwright. There are a lot of demand for Playwright also. With their own interest, some people are going that way also, right? Those who cannot able to handle
Yeah.
that codes and all, so they are coming here, they are shifting here. But most of all, it is easy in the sense nobody come here. Some people can able to handle the code, right? So those kind of people will go
Mm.
that way. So those who could not able to handle that codes and all, they will come here. So right here only you have a competition. Those who cannot able to handle the code and
Mm.
all. See here you have to see the competition. Here a lot of opportunities are still, because it is entrepreneur level. Most big companies are opting this,
Mm-hmm.
right? So in this case,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
there are a lot of jobs are generating, right? If you can see in the Tosca, just go to LinkedIn, just type Tosca jobs. You'll see
Yeah,
openings.
I
How
know,
many jobs you
I
have?
know, but like what I'm saying now, like current market is like that, but like what I am expecting, like career path in sense, like in 15 years, like that I'm thinking, like not currently. In future, like we can, it is the best one, or like I am asking, not.
Definitely, it would be best,
Yeah.
because there are phases. There are phases. Definitely,
Mm.
there are phases. Long ago,
Yeah.
if you see, there is a waterfall methodology. Is that there right now? Are they
Yes.
using right now? No.
No, no.
Waterfall
Currently, no
methodology,
one
they
is
are
in.
inculcated. They have merged it into
Yes, correct.
what agile methodology, correct?
Agile.
Now
Yes.
agile methodology along with the agile methodology, they are using DevOps right now, correct? So which means
Mm-hmm.
it is
Yeah,
changed
correct.
that phase. It is there, the process is there, but is actually inculcated into different way, right? It changed transformed into other way. Okay, the process started with the
Yeah,
waterfall methodology. After that, it changed as
correct.
agile, and agile with the agile process also included with the DevOps, development and operations. Both
CSID
are,
also there.
yeah,
Yes.
definitely CI/CD is coming. The CI/CD is also included with this Tosca. Tosca also integrated with the
Yes,
CI/CD.
yes.
There are a lot of scope, right? Also I mentioned
Mm-hmm.
AI also.
Yeah.
Future is AI in the sense, definitely. If it is integrated with this AI in the sense, definitely you have a lot of scope. For you just simply expect to 10 to 15 years, no problem, right? I'm not
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
not guarantee
Mm-hmm.
that 15 years, but there is a scope, right? You can
Yeah,
see.
yeah. We can't guarantee anything, but yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
because you can see in front of you, you can see Tosca is integrating with the AI in the sense how much they
Yes.
have actually seen the future, because
Yeah.
Tosca should not vanish. That is the reason they are also included this AI, because they want to go with the AI.
Not only
Also,
agentic AI, right?
yeah, agentic AI.
Yeah. Yes. Mm.
So Tosca is
Okay.
also will be there, no problem at all. Even though whatever competition it has, it doesn't matter. So Tosca will sustain,
Mm-hmm.
no doubt in that,
Mm.
right?
Okay. Yeah, okay, Lokesh. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you
you,
for your time.
thank you, Gopi. Yeah, shall we start? Anyone left from non-IT?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so let us start. I think so we have less time. So whatever I could not able to cover entire demo today. So let us take some steps wise. Okay. So today, whatever possible I have, whatever the time I have given, so I could able to complete that much. Tomorrow, if possible, I can able to continue from that itself, and I'll show you how to do. You just need to understand that how the Tosca is working actually. So that way, the flow, you should see that, right? So let me start with this demo. I'll start with this SDLC, because many are not from IT, many are not from testing. So that's why I just need to start from the SDLC. Guys who are really had a great experience, please do not feel bored, because my intention is to cover with non-IT guys. They need to understand concept, right? That's the reason. If I directly talk about the test cases, they will feel little nervous, because maybe what is this and all, what is test case. First of all, they can't understand the terminology. So that's the reason I just need to start from the SDLC. Then, so slowly they can able to catch. Okay. So you whatever who are working since long time in that IT and testing, please do not feel bored. So yeah, definitely whenever Tosca comes up, you can understand that, right? So from there onwards, you can keep focus. And so remaining almost I'll cover from the SDLC. SDLC, they need to understand what is SDLC, what is a process, this development, software development life cycle and all stuff, right? So that's why, okay. Guys, I hope you can see my screen. Okay. SDLC. What is SDLC? SDLC means software development lifecycle. Okay. So SDLC, software development lifecycle. This it is actually complete process of a process the companies follow to create software product. Okay. So you can think of it like a full step-by-step plan that explain how software should be developed, maintained, and updated or replaced. Okay. The main purpose of SDLC is to give the clear method for improving the software quality. Okay. And for making the whole development process. Okay. We have actually two different types of types we have. I mean life cycle I'm talking about. We have SDLC and STLC. Okay, SDLC in the sense of software development life cycle. You must need to understand first what is software development life cycle. After that, you just need to understand software testing life cycle. Okay, so first if you can understand software development life cycle, then so if you are involved with any project, then you need to understand what are the steps are involved in this and all. So you are going to deal with the development team, and also you are going to deal with the management team and all those, right? So if you don't understand this process, that will be little confusion. It will create little confusion. That's why I'm also included SDLC Pro. Okay. So software development is high and very long and detailed process. So because of that, it has to be planned properly and executed carefully. Okay, it is where SDLC become important. Okay, so SDLC breaks the entire development work into smaller steps, which makes it easier to understand, evaluate every part of the process. Okay, SDLC also gives many benefits. Okay, so in the SDLC, so there are some steps are involved actually. Software development life cycle. There are some stages are there. Okay, what are those stages? First, the requirement comes up in every company. You might never know that. So you are as a tester, you are going to deal with the tester. You as a developer, you are going to deal with the code. But the thing is behind the development testing, these two stages. First, there are actually a planning and designing team will be there. Okay. First, you will get a suppose there is a company example, Flipkart is there. Okay. Okay. And another company is here like TCS is there. Okay. So here Flipkart, they actually got an idea. Actually, they have a lot of. So I'm talking about already they have a website. Whenever they have started, some X company is there. That X company need one website. Okay, on application you can say. Okay, they need one application. So what they will do is they will check big, good reputation companies like TCS, Cognizant, and Accenture, Wipro, etc., etc. So they will approach. For suppose we can consider that they have approached TCS. Okay, so TCS, okay, they have they'll come up with some minutes of meeting, and they'll have lots of meetings related to this stuff. After that, they will share with their idea, their plan. So okay, this is actually my idea is to create so and so X application. This is what my idea. That's it. I don't know what to do and all those stuff. But let me know, just let me know what is the process, how cost it is, so how many duration, what is the process, how project duration and all those stuff. So TCS what they will do, they will bid it actually. Bid in the sense, they will create a quotation. Okay, they will prepare a quotation and they will send it to the price related. Everything will be involved. The price, what is according to their requirement. So they will mention everything in detail, also including developers, including developers cost, testers cost, also DevOps team cost, managers cost, etc., etc., like that. Okay, so they will quote a quotation and they will send back to the Flipkart, for suppose. Okay, so if they agree, what happens is immediately, so they will start so and so duration. So suppose they will ask you to start this project, so they will send some amount as a advance. After that, they will initiate the project. Then only after start the project, when you got the project, so TCS will inform you. For suppose you are in a TCS, right? So they will inform to the management. So already architects and BA teams, BA and BA team will be involved all this stuff, these quotations and all. So BA already got to know that everything. So okay, this is happening big background. Maybe it is going to be finalized soon, right? So in that case, they will plan everything. The plan also comes under this. While they are actually planning for this quotation and all, they will also plan for that entire project. Project planning comes into this here. So while they are releasing the quotation, they will actually write each and everything. They will consider each and everything. Okay, so they will plan it. Okay, so once you got a project, also they will plan how to execute this project. Okay, so you got a project, suppose they will plan for it properly. Okay, they will create individual stories. Okay, so for suppose this project should be complete 6 months. This 6 months, so duration of time, they will bifurcate each and every day. Okay, how many user stories are there? So development team first, they will plan like this, they will design like this. Everything will be architecture. Okay, so they'll have plan and designing, they will prepare. So managers will be included and business analyst will be included. So this part till here, the planning and designing comes under business team and managers and CEO level, that kind of level. Okay, so business team involved till here. Okay, after that, once after everything get ready, okay, next, once after designing is ready, so your team lead here, once after that, so your manager comes into the here, manager, under your manager, team leads will be there. Okay, and developers will be there. Under team lead, developers will be there, testers will be there, correct, and like so DevOps team will be there. So like that, they will bifurcate like this. Okay, so manager, they will set up a meeting. He will ask, I need one team leader or two team leaders. Okay, so I want some developers. Okay, team leaders I want, developers I want 6 members, or testers I want 4 members, some DevOps I want 2 members, something kind of. Okay, it depends upon the complete project, you know, the scale of the project. If it is small one, it will reduce. If it is big one, the numbers will be increased. Don't focus on the numbers, just focus on what is the process. So then what happens? So they will whatever according to this idea, they will just only tell the idea. That's it. Remaining will be taken care by development team. Development, according to this requirement, development team will write the code. Okay, development will write the code. That's it. Once after they are writing the code, okay, doesn't matter how many developers write the code, they will bifurcate it. So in the sense, for developers also, how they will develop the code, they will develop the code by taking help of the stories. The stories will be designed by business analysts. Okay, business team will be there. The team will be prepared the user stories. According to user stories, manager and team lead will be share that user stories. So whatever the duration time is there, so in that only they have to complete entire project. So for development also, will have some particular time limit. Within the time limits, they have to complete that also, including buffer time, buffer period. So they will write the code. Suppose they have written everything well, fine, that's okay. Okay, they have written code, that's it, their duty is done. Okay, they have done. After that they will say that okay, my part of my part of job is done. So next I'm going to move into the testing. Okay, so here testing comes under. Here there are by taking this, testers what they will do, they will actually prepare test cases. Okay, they will prepare the test cases. Okay, so they will check whatever they have written the code, everything they will check in the perspective of end user. Who is end user here? Flipkart, for suppose. So far Flipkart end user, actually who are using the application, that's it. But so far, first of all, this whatever the product is going to be released, that product should be very much good, right? As client expected, right? So first you just need to think in perspective of client only. So currently, so client is end user, so whatever client is requested, the same should be replicate here. Okay, so testing comes under. So testing, they will test, testers will not compromise. Okay, testings, they must test each and everything according to the client requirement. Please do not bend according to the developers. Developers will request, some bugs will report, so some people will your friend might be there somewhere, your friend or your closest to a colleague will be there, so they will request you, hey, please do not report, just I will just offline let me know, I'll change. No, do not compromise, because it will risk your job. Okay, so whatever the bugs you find, okay, if you find any bugs, you should report that, and you should update in the Jira. Okay, so if you can do that, your job, you are doing perfect job. Okay, if you hide and if you favor somebody, definitely your job will be in a risk, right? Current situation, too much situation is too bad right now. Okay, don't risk. Okay, so if they any identify any bugs, okay, they will report to the in the Jira ticketing tool. Okay, after finishing the testing, what happens? After finishing the testing, deployment will be there. What is deployment? Deployment is nothing but, actually we are going to whatever it is tested, the tester will sign up. Okay, once if he sign up, it will move to the DevOps team. Okay, what they will do, they will deploy your whatever the code is written, that code they will keep in the website or server, not website, you can say server. Okay, they will maintain the servers. Okay, they will deploy into the particular servers. Okay, first they will deploy first first you will have a environment, testing environment. First they will check in the testing environment, they will deploy in the testing environment, if well and good, so then they will deploy into the client environment. Okay, client servers. So that is the duty of deployment team. Deployment is nothing but, nowadays this is also taken care by DevOps team only. Okay, so this DevOps team will be taken care to keep your whatever the application is there, that should be in live, right? Okay, to make it live, this DevOps team will work. Okay, so you just got that, yeah, now application is live. That's it, project is been done. This is a process. Okay, one second. Okay, so this is how SDLC works. SDLC nothing but, don't non-technical guys, please do not confuse. Actually, SDLC means, some people will ask this kind of basic question. Why? Because if they sense it while taking interview, sometime they will sense, okay, this guy is not from testing. Maybe let us take from the very scratch. They'll ask you what is SDLC. Okay, you might not prepare. You will prepare completely on top of Tosca and other things. Okay, so you are very much strong in the technical, but you might not know what is SDLC, what is STLC and all. So at that time, if they ask this question, you should not skip. Okay, you should not be panic. At that time, you just try to understand the concept, what is going on in the software. So this is how it happens actually, background. So you just explain whatever I explained: planning, designing, development, testing. What planning team will do, what is designing team will do, what development team will do, what testing team will do, what deployment team will do. Okay, just general explain. That's it. They can understand. Okay, this guy having experience like that. Okay, that's it. That's both are same actually. That is in horizontal. Just I kept here good manner. That's it. Planning. In the planning, first they will plan. After that, requirement analysis. After finishing requirement analysis, it goes to the designing team. After designing, so it will go to the coding. How to code it. After that, testing. Testing after finishing the testing, deployment. Deployment after maintenance. These all comes under both. Deployment both are taken care by DevOps team, no doubt at all. Okay, so this DevOps team will take care after finishing testing. That's it. Next, what is testing tool? So what is STLC? Okay, STLC means software testing life cycle. However, we have seen software development life cycle. Same way we have software testing life cycle. This is also important. As a tester, you must need to understand what are the steps are involved, right? Okay, STLC stands for, again, keep in mind, software testing life cycle. It's a set of activities that are followed to the perform software testing. Software testing is the process of checking functionality of a software application to find the bugs. Okay, it checks whether the developed software meets the given requirement, whatever client requirement is there. So does this met proper requirement, and also it identified any kind of defects in the sense bugs. Okay, any problems. Bugs is nothing but problems and issues. Identify some problems. Suppose there is a login, suppose there is actually login in the one application. So that login has designed by the developer. He actually developer has designed and test. He's just asking tester, you just do test. So while he's actually login, you could not able to log in it properly, or you are not getting it, it's not generating any OTP, or else it is whatever the password you are typing that might be appearing. Okay, that is also problem, right? Or else some such kind of whatever client requirement. There is a client requirement. It's not developers interest, and this is not tester's interest. Okay, according to the requirement only you gonna test. Okay, for suppose client is asking you should generate the OTP, but once without OTP, if I click on login, automatically with the credentials it is opening the application. That is also problem, right? You can consider that also bug. Okay, so that you can say in technical terminology, you can say that is defect. Okay, right? Whether it just checks testers can checks developed software, whatever is it meeting the proper requirement, whatever requirement is there, right? In simple terms, like testing verifies and it validates in the software. Okay, in the software meets the business and technical requirement. Okay, it works as expected, and it can be implemented with the required okay, whatever client required, like characteristics, you can say. STLC explains that test activities have to be done and when they should be done, what test activities done, what to do, what to test, when to complete. Okay, so every activity in the software testing life cycle is carried out in planned manner. Okay, each phase has its own goals and deliverables. Okay, so it shows like why we need to do testing in the sense. This is what. Okay, so first you need to gather the requirement. Okay, you need to gather the requirement. What are the requirement? Okay, so how many kind of in the web browser, if you can take a web browser, login is one requirement, and header is one requirement. In header there are a lot of pages are there. Okay, each individual controls are there. Okay, so everything is working properly or not, just need to gather, you need to plan it. Okay, you need to gather all the requirement and you just need to plan accordingly how to test. How to test is also should be there, right? How to plan. Okay, how to test, These entire test cases, how many test cases are there, what are the test cases are there, what are, how, you just need to plan properly, right? What are the modules, sorry, modules, I should not use this. What are the controls, I can say, for suppose login page is one kind of, and there is social media icons also is there, like a login form is there, or else such kind of, there are different forms and different pages will be there inside that you know if it is dynamic website, there are forms will be there to store the database, whatever the documents you, in the sense whatever the details you fill, that also will be stored in the database, correct? So all these comes under, say, everything. For suppose login is one time test case, and social media is one test case, and color is kind of everything, whatever the requirement is there, I could not able to specify everything here. So whatever the client requirement, you just need to, according to that, you just need to plan when to start the test case, when to start the testing, when to end the testing in the middle. So you just, there will be a plan. According to that plan, they'll test the, okay, they will go through the plan only. So test case, they will design the test cases also. You have to design the test cases. So here you need to understand. So I'm as an automation tester. Okay. So manual tester also will be there. Okay. Here you don't worry about this manual test cases. Manual testers will design the test cases. Okay. So manual testers will design the test cases, and then they will send it to the test cases. According to that test case, you have to create the modules inside the Tosca, and you have to test, you have to perform the automation. Okay. So that we will deep dive. Okay. Just you can understand. Don't worry about that. So just understand this concept STLC. Okay. Requirement analysis, test planning, and after that test case designs. Okay. Okay, test case designing is nothing but login is there. Example, I am saying there is a login button in Flipkart for suppose. Okay. Okay. So in this login, first of all, what you have to do, you just need to enter your email ID. After that, you need to enter password. Okay. After that, you need to click on. Okay. These are all steps, right? All these steps. This is one step. This is click operation. This is, you need to enter the credentials. This is click operation. This is enter. You need to email. You need to enter password. You need to click on so and so confirm or login, whatever button. Okay. So like that, whatever, these are all steps. Okay. That if this is for just small one, I have written like this is this. You can say test steps. This is one step. This is one step. This is one step. This is one step. Like that, you have to test case. This I can consider these are all small steps. So all together I can consider this as a test case. So like that, there are a lot of test cases will be there. Those test cases you need to design. Okay. So then after finishing it, need to execute. Okay. You need to execute it whether it is working properly or not. After executing this, if you find any bug, something you're not getting, or I could not able to, this is actually entering the credentials, email and password, but it is not entering this login button. It is enter somewhere else. Okay. It is clicking some other forms page or else social media, something kind of, this is a big bug. This is defect. Okay. You found some defect in this case. Okay. So whatever you found, that you need to report. Okay. You need to report that to the developer again. So how you report, in the sense, by taking help of Jira tool. So you need to report there bugs. There will be a particular column called bugs. In that bugs, you can report that. So this is how
Sir, somebody switch on their video. Could you please off their video, sir, once, please?
Is it? Let me check. Thanks for letting me know. I just closed it, right? That's why I could not able to identify. Let me check.
To please turn off their video, sir.
Sorry. Oh, okay. Yeah. Sure, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay, fine. No problem. right? So this is how STLC works. Okay, so this is how STLC also requirement analysis, test planning. After finishing test plan, you have to go to the test case development. Next test case, after finishing test case, create a test step. After that, test execution. After finishing execution, test cycle closure. If you found any kind of bugs, again you will report to the developer. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so SDLC versus STLC, we have seen software development and it is related to software testing. Okay, so it is what is the relation in the sense, this is, you just try to understand with this image, this bubble, whatever it is there. So this is software development lifecycle. Under this software development lifecycle, software testing lifecycle is a part. Okay, it is not separate. Under software development lifecycle, software testing is also part. Only development is part. DevOps is also part. Okay, all comes under. Okay, BA also, all this completely one project, right? That's how. Okay. Okay. Next. So here, let's try to understand what is the difference between. So actually, we have seen test STLC, right? Now let us try to understand what is manual testing and what is automation. Okay, and also in the software architecture, development is also, that is one separate phase, correct? In testing, there are categories, right? Two different. One is manual testing, another one is automation testing. Okay, in the development, C language will be there, C++, Java, might it be C Sharp, might it be PHP, might it React.js, might it be Python, or any kind of JavaScript. There are a lot of coding is involved. In this development, there's a lot of code involved. By taking help of that code, they will create the application. They will create the web application, might it be web application, might it be a mobile application, might it be any kind of application. Okay, so for development process, they will use programming language. Okay, testing also, we have scripts. Okay, so we'll see that. So first of all, in testing, what kind of categories? Manual testing is there, automation testing is there. Let us try to understand what is manual testing. Manual testing is nothing but, for suppose there is a Flipkart or Amazon. Okay, yeah, Flipkart is, okay, you might use this Flipkart frequently, right? So whenever you open Flipkart, this is funny. Okay, let me open Amazon. Okay, so this is Amazon is there, right? So Amazon shopping cart. In this, you see, you just need to log in. First of all, you need to log in. Okay, or I'll take small, very Mintra like that. So here it is simple. You can understand very much better. Okay, so Mintra is a shopping online website. Okay, so here you can see initially, if you don't have any any account in this, you just log in here, sign up first, right? With your credentials, details, or phone number, email ID, etc., etc., right? You just need to click on this. Okay, so first you need to click on. So you are I'm talking about not as a user. I'm talking about as a manual tester. What they will do after finishing it, after getting ready this website, so you manually check. Okay, manually check whether I could able to enter this mobile number or not, No, I could not able to enter something. I could able to enter with the, see this, some letters. Instead of numbers, I could able to enter the numbers, letters, in the sense this is a big bug. Okay, you just simply report this. Okay, now okay, I'm fine. I can able to enter. That's fine. Okay, that's good. Well and good. I can able to enter. That's fine. So it is working fine. This checkbox, sometimes automatically this checkbox enabled. Okay, that is also bug. In the requirements, I should not check this box directly. Okay, that is also bug. So, and this continue button should be work. Okay, suppose if I keep, so I'm just trying to keep something like I'll get OTP. I should get OTP, but OTP is not generating. Manual, everything manually we are entering. Everything manually we need to enter and check manually. 1 second. Let this come up. I'm in flight mode. I'll resend. Yeah, I'm just trying to enter OTP. So whatever steps I just entered, everything you're doing it manually, right? By clicking, simple by clicking, right? So for suppose there is one t-shirts are there, okay, or electronic items are there, sports related, footwear related. So all these, okay, women's, kids, home, beauty. So there is no electronics here. I'm sorry. Okay. So for suppose I just want to click on t-shirts. Okay. There are t-shirts here. Okay. I need to click on wish list according to the client requirement. I need to go here. I need to click on this. Okay. I want to check this. Okay. Add to wish list already done. Okay. If there is a coupon or pin code, whatever. Okay. I should enter here. Okay, if I want to add, I can able to add the bag. Okay, I need to choose this. Suppose without selecting this, I'm just going here like this. Okay, and it should see this. It should select, right. Okay, something kind of, it should select and it should be notified. Such kind of requirement I had. Okay, so next, 1 second. Delivery options. Okay, now I just added into wish list. Let me go there. Yeah. So next, place the order. I'm just going how I am going. You just as a manual tester, how I am going, everything entering, right? Manually. Next, IT career, something kind of, okay, whatever. Just simply you are entering your number here, pin code you are keeping something, and your address keeping something, okay, and you are keeping something like this, and you just checking manual everything, okay. And next, this is how manual testers will work everything manually. Understood? Okay. That is how. What is automation? So whatever we have done so far, that will be done automatically by tool itself. You are not going to just, you need to set up. That's it. So after that, automatically the tool itself will check it. You don't need to do anything. For suppose this test case, if you want to do 100 times, or else just imagine 10 times, how many times you need to enter again? Or first time you will enter manually, second time you will save all the details somewhere in notepad and you will copy and paste. That is also manual task, right? And also you need to do 10 times, in the sense you will feel little kind of irritation also you'll get, because you are human being, you have a feelings, Okay, you sometimes, anytime, maybe at eighth time or ninth time, you may get irritation or you'll do some mistake. There are chance human errors are there, which means correct. So to avoid that, for suppose there is a mission in the sense tool, example Tosca tool, you just set up automatically running. How many times you want? You can, I want 10 times. 10 times accurately it will run, no doubt. Okay, it will not tide at all. But you are, as a human being, you have feelings. Maybe your mood is not good, so you might fight with your girlfriend, or you might fight with your wife or your friend or some. Okay, or else you dash with your in the traffic. There is, your mood was not that much good, so at that time there are chances, any point of time anything might happen with the human errors. Human errors are really common. So to avoid such kind of errors, the automation tool automatically, whenever you set up this, automatically it will test whenever you want, how many times you want, like that. This is how automation works. Okay, next. Yeah, so we are going to talk about testing is a great starting point for those who are looking to start their career in software profession. Okay, scope of getting job is also very high. Don't underestimate the testers, please, because without tester, the application will not be in a live, no doubt. Without testing, for suppose if you keep live without any identifying any bugs, the bugs will replicate in the production, which means in the live. Suppose um here here this is the one, right? Mintra. Okay, in this place Mintra, actually this is t-shirt, right? In this place of you might kept this headline is t-shirt. If you keep your mobile phone here, just imagine how much weird it would be, right? So instead of this t-shirt, you may keep, maybe it was maybe intentionally you might not do, but somehow maybe it happened. Okay, instead of this t-shirt, there will be a bag. Instead of this t-shirt, there will be pant or something like kurta, any kind of. Okay, so these are all mistakes, right? In the production, if you see how you will feel, Mintra is one big application, but you feel this is like a generic, okay, lower. So no, so you'll get bad name, your business will not run properly. Okay, everybody will comment like this. So it's not good website, please don't go through it, something kind of, right? So everything depends upon reviews today. Everybody is, before you buy a laptop or before buy any gadget, you are going to the reviews only first, because you are taking their experience as a feedback, right? So that's how. So yeah, so tester have lot of scope, no doubt at all. So tester have future. So without tester, you could not able to keep your application in the life. Okay. So no need to depend upon any technologies. Like, for suppose it might be Java, it might be C Sharp, .NET, it might be C language, C++, or Python, any other programming languages or any other technologies. No need. You don't need to depend upon anything. Just only Tosca will take care. Okay. Tester job is very consistent. Yes, without tester, I already covered this. Without tester, there is no there is no bugs free, defect free application. Okay, that is why it is consistent. And also, testers remain forever. Why? Because after developing, you have to do testing, no doubt. Without a tester, AI could not able to done automatically. The person, without person intervention, does this automatically, this AI comes to you? No, right? Definitely job will be there. Okay, there is automation. Okay, there are different tools are comes up more in future, no problem. So it will change it will do some little change, transformation happens, but the job will be remain. Okay, no problem at all. So in job market in USA, okay, is this Tosca is really have a lot of job market in USA, which means if job market is there in USA, in the sense automatically US people will contact the India, right? Automatically, if you have a lot of jobs in USA, in the sense definitely USA is depend on India. There are a lot of companies are associated with this, right? So, and also, salaries, if you see the salaries in USA, it's around $65,000 to $150,000 per year. Okay. This you can see also, because this is not, I did not do it intentionally. I have taken from the ChatGPT only. Okay, you can also search just simply, is that Tosca, Tricentis Tosca has a job market in USA. Same, you can copy this and paste there. You'll get same. Okay, per hour $65. Okay, there is a big market in USA because I'm also teaching US people. That's why. So that why I have taken it as a reference is this question they asked. They asked me. That is the reason I have taken it as a reference. I just kept here for reference purpose. Okay. So what about India? If I keep something about USA, what about India? Definitely you'll get that question. Same. Okay. See, in the LinkedIn currently showing around 196 Tricentis Tosca jobs. At that moment, when I was, uh, when I was searching, at the time 196 Tricentis Tosca jobs available at the time. Okay. Next, roles are like QA automation engineer or consultant, architect, test engineer, okay, tester, the software engineer also. Okay, these kind of roles you can keep. Okay. Okay, next, what are the salaries coming to this? See here, I mentioned already this test engineer, quality engineer, test automation specialist, consultant, architect, lead roles, such kind of there are different designations. Okay, salary expectations in India, entry level 3.1 lakhs to 7 lakhs per year. No doubt, one of my friend is working a reputed organization, big one. So he is getting 35 lakhs. Okay, for 5 years. For 5 years experience, he is earning 35 LPA. Okay, mid-level 2 to 5 years experience, 4 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. Okay, specialist senior role, 4 lakhs to 18 lakhs package, and above also it depends upon demand and your skill, and this is not fixed, and it would be increase or it would be decrease as per your performance and your confidence, no doubt. Okay, so this is how, and included, and also salaries in India tend to be lower than US as compared to their currency and our currency both are different. Their demand is, our demand is different, like that's why. So eligibility for Tosca, any graduate can learn testing course. Okay, any graduate can learn testing course, no doubt. Okay, because it's easy, man. Just but you have to have uh, you know logical thinking, minimum thinking. Without minimum thinking, I want to do it, in the sense there is no meaning of it, right? Graduate can eligible. So earlier, in the earlier days, earlier years, maybe you can say 4 years or 4 years back or 5 years back, they will not prefer degree also. Okay, now BZC, BSc candidates are also doing jobs in uh, software, in testing also. Even one of my friends, brother colleague is there who is working in Cognizant. He actually came from BSc something different, different. Okay, and he is actually lead now. He's actually leading Salesforce. See, there is no, you should not keep any obsessions in your mind. Okay, just any graduate can able to learn anything. Even if you want to learn as a graduate, you can learn AI also. It's your interest, right? Who is stopping? Earlier, in the interviews in our campus or on off campus drives, they used to check your degrees, whether it is computer science background or electrical background, any engineering background. They used to they kept some eligibility criteria for only engineering candidates. Nowadays, no, talent matters. Okay, your performance and your knowledge matters today. Okay, basic degree is enough. No need BTech, MTech. If you have BTech, MTech, that's good. No problem at all. Along with this, if other degree also like BJC, BSc, whatever, that is also fine. No doubt. Don't keep any obsessions in your mind, please. Uh, Let us guys, let's close this. Okay, still we'll continue. Okay, just hold 5 minutes. Then we can continue after this. What I'm going to let you know next what to do after finishing it. Okay. Okay, no need any specialization for computer science, etc. That's what I have discussed, right? That's what I mentioned. What exactly we need to get software tester job? Just a simple, good communication testing concepts, command on testing concept, and also good communication skills. Testing, command on testing concept. When how you will get? If you do consistent practice, nothing else. How Virat Kohli is that much legend. How MS Dhoni legend. There, analytical skills. MS Dhoni has lot of analytical skills, and also he's very much team player, and also he's great, leader, kind of, So that's why he's top. What about Virat Kohli? Always do practice. You know that Virat Kohli is not a god. He will always do practice. He will always maintain fitness. That is why he's even after retire also. Sorry, after test retire also, he is performing more than that earlier, more than earlier. So because simply practice makes a man perfect. If you do more practice, if you do consistent practice, if continuously doing practice, in the sense you will be expert anywhere, not in only testing, not in only development, anywhere you can learn anything. Okay, good communication skills, written and verbal. Yeah, this matters. Good communication in the sense you must have a proper communication skills. Like, no, I'm not talking about language. Okay, at least if you have a normal English language, just with that only, at least you try to communicate properly, just with respectful. If you are very much arrogant in the software, you could not survive, man. I'm pretty sure about this. you know Please be obedient. Okay, while you are writing written, why you mentioned why I have mentioned is written and verbal, in the sense while you are talking with your superior, or you can say colleague, or anybody. Okay, might it be vice president, or might it be your team lead, might it be your colleague, might it be your junior, it doesn't matter. But however, how you are speaking with others is matters. In the rating, definitely they will talk about your behavior. That comes up. Verbal comes under behavior, and written in the sense, for suppose you are in some other mood, some different mood, you are really have temper, short tempers and all. So you might have seen something very silly reason they have escalated you. Suppose at that moment, you just imagine that your mind how response. At that time you should be very much cool. So you should just think to whom you are writing email, how you are representing it. Okay, how you are explaining is matters. The same problem, you should not be respond very arrogant. Okay, even though that's their mistake, you should be very cool and calm, but still you have to maintain some patience, and you should explain proper way. Then they feel that, oh, this guy is really wonder. So he is not having much communication skill, but still he can sustain, and he will be a key player in future. Definitely will keep upcoming projects, or this project, till the end of this project I want to keep this guy. No doubt they will get that kind of positiveness. So then what happens? They will not remove you, no doubt at all. Okay, in any reason. Okay, if that situation comes up from others also, some people will save you, no doubt in that. Okay, so be careful while you are writing emails, and while you are talking with others, in your colleagues. Okay, problem solving skills and logical thinking. So if some problem got, actually, when problems comes up, so how you are responding is matters. How you are thinking, how many ways you have to resolve this. So you just need to write it down, or you just need to just analysis yourself. This is a way. Okay, I got this idea, this is how I can able to do, or else how can I able to solve this issue. Just try to think yourself. That is how you just need to think. And presentation skills, for suppose you are as a team member, sometimes what happens is, if you are always silent, okay, okay, if you are not participating nowadays, actually everybody asking to explain your job, whatever you have done so far, since in the morning till now. Maybe stand up call, at that time they will ask you what you have done, what are the issues you faced, what are the blockers. They will ask you, definitely they will ask you, you have to explain. At the time, there are chances they will ask you to show screen share, and explain everything. So just show me I just would like to check if there is anything I need to add up. So they will let you no, they will let you to push it up, and they will ask you, they will request you. At the time there are chances to share your screen, and you have to properly share your screen, and you need to explain it properly whatever you have done. Okay, that presentation skills, might it be there are chances that they will ask you. So if there is any requirement comes up, they will ask you to prepare some PPTs also. So you have to prepare a PPT, and you have to explain it also. Okay, demos also, there will be demos on projects, whatever you have done. So with whatever you have done, maybe they will pick up you, and you need to explain your with this demo with your clients. There are chances. So that's why you should have a proper presentation skill. Feel if you are not much confident on it, please try to implement these areas. Okay, and we already had conversation on top of this manual testing and automation. Okay, drawbacks, why I'm saying more number of resources required every time, consuming human errors, we already covered. Low accuracy, if you have errors, automatically accuracy will reduce, and task need to be performed repeatedly. Yes, I already mentioned, if there is any task need to be performed continuously more than 10 times like that, definitely there are problems in the manual testing. Okay, automation testing tools comparison, earlier we used to see UFT. Some people are there here 15 years experience, so they might have seen that UFT. Okay, user functional testing. Okay, so this so can we, what is the time now? 8:20. Guys, can we continue from this tomorrow? What I will do is I will try to explain whatever left, and after that I have some test case. Okay, I have one test case, this test case. Okay, I prepared one test case. With this test case, we are going to see how the Tosca is performing all these steps, test steps. Are you with me, guys? I hope you understood.
Yes, yes.
Actually, I need to rush to go to other meeting. I'm sorry, extremely sorry for that. Definitely we'll continue, and we are going to do this tomorrow. Okay.
Tomorrow session is also demo or
It's demo.
okay.
Yeah, it's demo. In the demo itself, I'll show you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay, in the demo itself, you just need to know how to create the models, how to create the test cases, and how the Tosca is performing. You'll feel astonishing. You'll feel wonder. Okay, I'm guaranteed for that. Okay.
Okay.
So then you can ask me the questions and all tomorrow. Okay, and also I'll show you what syllabus also. I'll show you syllabus related to certificates and all those stuff. Okay, we'll talk about that. Okay. Thanks for joining all. Yeah, whatever the queries, please hold. Tomorrow we are going to discuss all the related to queries. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for joining me here. Thanks for your time. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Bye.